thank you for joining us over with our Amphitec machine at No Dig 2024. What we're going to do now is show what we bought this machine over to do, which is to show its ability to blow material over long distances. So you'll see down here that we've got a Volvo FH500, and on that we've got our Amphitec Vortex machine with an 11,000 airs and pump. In the container we've got a 14 metre cube capacity, and then on the back you'll see that we've got the arm system, much like we have on our RSP machines, and the additional pipe work that's going to enable us to blow the material. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get started straight away. We'll get Tris to turn on the machine. That will start passing the air through, and then we'll put him underneath that container at the back. We'll open up the valve to allow material to flow, which will then start coming out of this end here. So we'll get going now. So with that, we've disengaged the machine. What we'll do is we'll just get it all put away, and then our operator Rob here is just going to bring the machine back down, and then what we'll do is we'll start bringing that back up and show everyone the high tip function. So as you'll see on the Amphitec Vortex, it's designed to operate very much like a suction excavator. The difference really is that what we use here is a vacuum technology as opposed to ventilator technology. So we're using a pump to create up to a -1 bar pressure in the tank. That enables us to draw material in. The real benefit on the Amphitec is that we have the ability to suck both dry and wet material. So that gives operators a much wider range of options when they're out on site with machines. You would have also seen that when Tris was operating that machine, he was operating valves on the back. The valves on the back are operator controlled, and that enables him to dial in how much material and how much airflow he wants to put through. So again, we dial in the machine at all points to make sure that the right material is being delivered over the right distances. This machine's also got a 3.5 metre cube Matai compressor mounted on the side and a high pressure water system. So we'll be able to see the walkways around the top of the container. So the walkways are accessible by a ladder on the rear of the machine. These are in place so that way we've got quick access to get to our filter compartment, and also an inspection hatch on top of the tank. The high tip's a really fantastic function on these machines. It gives us the ability to tip directly into a container as opposed to directly behind the machine.